the fierce, ang ultra maldita na si Alex Bros.
Alex! We can see you from here, Alex.
To Paolo Abilino and Kim Chu.
God!
Have you observed that your characters, you as Vincent Cabrera and you as Estela, are very strong because you both are empowered by one thing,
Which is?
you power up yourself with refusal. You refuse, as Vincent, you refuse to be under your father, and Kim Chu, you refuse to be. What are you? My God! And you refuse Kim Chu to be under the spaloric spell of your comrades. Tawag dito. That said, do you realize that there are only a few characters like you who can make refusal a sign of strength?
Your Honor, we begin with Attorney Paolo Abilino.
Thank you po, Sir Alex. I think parang minsan humuhugot rin tayo sa lakas na pagtanggi natin. Dahil ayaw natin, either tinatapakan tayo or dahil tingin natin may mali. And parang all throughout our years as Filipinos, medyo ganun rin tayo. Parang siguro bilang aktor at bilang ang dami rin naming piniplay na ang daming mga moral dilemmas. Lalong-lalo na kay Vincent Cabrera na naging parte ng katiwalian pero tinatanggihan niya talagang totally makain dahil gusto niyang quick lang, gusto niyang i-take over para magawa yung tama. Pero yun nga yung questions eh. Kapag parte ka na ng mali, maitatama mo pa ba yung mga nagawa mo dati? And parang para sa akin, parang isa yun siguro sa nilalabanan niya. Kung maitatama niya ba yung mga kamalian niya sa paggawa ng tama or ayun, kung maitatama niya yung mga kamalian niya sa paggawa ng tama.
Actually, that's the beauty of the writer. Ano niya yung ano na yun, internal struggle na yun ng character ni Vincent. Ikaw naman, Stella, you refuse to live a life like your comrades, like si Kimmy, di ba?
Yes, nagiging strong naman ang isang tao o nagiging matapang siya pag she knows her truth and she stands by her truth.
Tama.
And wala nang makakatapak ng dignidad mo nun kung nakatayo ka sa kung ano yung talagang pinaniniwalaan mo.
Alex, okay ka?
I have one question
Go
more.
ahead.
For the record, I would like to ask with some sense of urgency and immediacy the real score between Paolo and Kim Chu.
Urgency,
Sa
ha?
ibang press con siguro yun.
100 score.
No press con will happen after this. So answer the question.
Sumagot si Paolo, sabi niya 100 daw ang score.
Ow! Thank you, Paolo. I thought Jericho was the only guy I knew who was brave enough to admit things. You are the second one.
I didn't admit anything, I just gave a score.
Narinig mo yung Alex? He
Bigay lang
didn't
po.
admit anything, he just gave a score. 100.
I'm not asking for a score. So you did not answer the question?
Kimmy, how will you answer that question ni Alex? With urgency daw.
Kaya nga para saan ba ikabubuti ba yan ang ekonomiya ng Pilipinas?
Oo, ito ang
Kung
magpapabago ng
maikabubuti sa ekonomiya
bagong
ng...
presidente sa 2028.
Eto na lang.
Ikaw ba?
Hindi ako.
Oh my God!
Eto na lang, ako magtatanong. Kimmy, kanino galing yung bulaklak na pinost mo nung Valentine's Day?
Wala, super naman. Kanino daw galing Kimi? Di ba?
Kim.
Oh, si Kimi.
Kanino galing?
Siyempre.
Kanino?
Sorry, charot. Siyempre, sa kanya. Sa kanya, kay Tao. Siyempre sa kanya.
Kay Pao. Pao, sa'yo galing? Just to confirm.
Sa akin.
Tapos yung post mo, Kim, sabi mo, ay, babae pala ako.
Yes, ang dami kasing mga babae naglalakad sa daan nung araw na yun.
Oo.
Siyempre nadadaanan ko lang, galing ako showtime. Dami naman mga naglalakad na nakahawak ng bulaklak. Itong mga to, super naman talaga sa pagka-long hair. Pag-uwi ko ng bayan, wala, may flowers din pala ako. Girl pala ako. Ganun. Yan lang yun.
I know it's too personal to share, but how does it feel lang na parang somebody sending you a flower and it's Paolo pa, from Paolo pa?
Siyempre nakaka-girl talaga pag bigyan ka ng flowers on Valentine's. Kasi hindi naman yan sa gaano kalaki yung bulaklak, super dami, ganyan. It's the thought that counts. Na naalala ka, oy, thank you, salamat.
Pao, anything to add sa pagpapadala mo ng bulaklak kay Kim?
Ano naman, masaya ako na masaya ako. So, mabay share yung letters.
Kimi, can you?
Yes, the letter goes like this. So, kumanta pala.
Nilabas no? Ito na, babasahin ko na sa iyo.
Okay na yun.
So ano lang reaction mo na masaya siya na masaya ka?
Happy din ako na napapahappy niya ako. Mas baka sarili mo na.
So would you say, Kim, that you already found happiness?
Super naman you already found happiness. But
Ah.
we have to be happy every day. Kasi di ba hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari sa atin bukas or sa susunod na taon. So kung ano man ang nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayong taon, i-cherish mo.
Yan. Hindi ko na nadagdagan baka... Oh. Thank you, Alex. Next, Aaron. Sino magtatanong?
Yes, Alan, ito ang parating curious, wala iba kundi si Alan Sangkon of Stars Photography.
Alan, ha? Charing.
Hello. Hello, Kim and everyone. Congratulations. Mapapanood yung Alibi sa
Yay, thank
Free
you.
TV. Hindi. Tanong ko lang kasi parang kasi lagi sinasabi curious lang ako. Curious talaga ako, di ba? Behind the scene nung pinakita kanina, yung lipstick. Yung viral yun di ba? How was that scene? Parang hindi ba sinasadya yun na na-transfer yung lipstick mo dun sa sa labi ni Paolo, or parang siyempre hindi ko pwedeng tanong anong lasa nung nung lipstick ni Kim. Pero hindi yan.
Nakakaloka yung lasa.
Hindi. How was the scene? How do you prepare for that?
Yung preparation parang bigla lang din. Pero naalala ko lang yung scene na yun. After ng scene, nagtatawanan lahat ng tao, tapos hindi ko alam kung bakit. So yun pala, mukha na pala akong clown.
That's why you said clown. Okay. Alan,
Si Kim naman.
Kimi.
Ako, hindi siguro smudge-proof yung lipstick na ginamit ng makeup artist. I-try ko sa'yo. Para malaman mo. Hindi na puro tanong.
Go, mga training device ganda sa'yo.
Sorry. Kasi natanong siya feeling para ma-feel niya.
Diba ko si Kim na sumagot?
Girl siya
I know. Okay, Alan.
Thank you. Yung second question ko for Sophia, tanong ko lang Sophia. Sabi mo nga, this is one of your challenging role dito sa na ginawa mong teleserye with Kim Pao, di ba? As a husband, as a wife ni Paolo dito, di ba? Gaano ka-challenging yung role mo dito? And yun nga, yung mga hindi malilimutang intense scenes ninyo ni Kim, aside dun sa sabunutan and sakitan yung dalawa.
As a wife, I was so nervous at first kasi first time ko po rin makakatrabaho si Paolo. And nung una kami nakita, he was so serious. So parang hindi ko alam kung paano siya kakausapin. But he was very professional. Parang natatakot ako, tama ba yung ginagawa ko or okay sa kanya yung acting, or parang I asked him, okay pa yun, Pao, okay pa yung ginawa ko. And he was very supportive, he was very professional also. Natulungan niya yung character ko as the time went by.
Thank you. Congratulations everyone. Thank you.
Grabe yung bait ni Alan. Thank you, Alan. Saan ko nakakapanibago? Next.
And we have a question from the entertainment editor of the Philippine Star, Natalie Tomada.
Naka-Valentine's outfit na.
Ano lang, MJ, follow up lang kasi yung meaning pala ng peony. Peony flowers yung binigay ni
Okay,
Pao.
ba nag-research? Okay, wait. What kind of flowers is it again? Peony?
Oh, favorite ni Kim. So it means
Roses
pala, it symbolizes healing and protection. Ganda.
Did you know that?
Oh, well, ang sabi ko lang sa flower shop.
For healing and protection po.
Pink lang sa red.
Tingin mo
Nagagamot pala yung flower.
Tingin mo bulaklak for healing and protection.
Ayun. Pero yun na, Kim, do you feel protected by Paul?
Ay, ang ganda
Ayan, super
naman
naman
ng
sa very
super.
protect. Isa ka palang armor, knight and shining. Wala, super. Okay naman, oo naman. Hindi, well, lahat naman, hindi ko naman protected ako. Parang mo masasabing hindi ka protected pag minamanyak ka na siguro ganun. Kasi lahat naman ng taong nakakasalamuha ko ay may respeto sa akin. So, I feel protected if ganun.
You know what? Let me say something. I think where Natalie's coming from is we haven't seen you this comfortable ng matagal. Na parang you feel so safe when you're with Paolo.
Sick yung pala siya. Sorry. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko napapansin. Pero kung
Kasi
yun ang
nakaka-
napapansin nyo.
Pakilan nyo na to, na project.
Fourth.
See? Diba? If you don't feel safe with your ka-eksena, diba? You won't reach like 4 projects.
Siguro din kasi...
May ganun ba? May sense of security?
I think so. Tsaka may sense of growth when in terms to mga roles na ginagawa namin. And very thankful din kami sa ABS dahil binibigyan nila kami sa Dreamscape, binibigyan kami ng iba't ibang klase ng mga serye na which tackles different type of roles. And pagka-eksena ko si Pao, parang nag-grow ako din
Okay.
as an actor.
Ikaw, Pao, instinct mo na ba yun na to protect Kim? Not naman in protect in like literal na way, but you know, have that safe space with Kim while working with you.
Of course. Parang, syempre, well, I've worked with Kim for so long. Parang, as much as possible, you try to protect them. Not just physically, pati in terms of knowing. Diba? The more you know kasi, the more you're protected mo for a lot of stuff. For example, siguro, sige, wag na example.
Tuloy mo! Tuloy mo, pupelo na kami. Tuloy mo yan, Pao. Like what?
For example, like online scams, diba? Parang if you're a bit knowledgeable about that thing, you share the knowledge.
Yeah.
And parang at the same time, she's protected because she's knowledgeable about online scams even more.
But now that you've heard na yung flowers na binigay mo kind of symbolizes healing and protection, what's your reaction?
Nagustuhan mo ba?
Oo naman. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Gusto mo ba?
Pwede naman everyday.
Mulubi.
Kaya mo yan, Nats.
Last question lang. Kasi ito talaga yung question ng marami dito sa table.
With immediacy na naman yan, emergency.
Ano lang, for Kim Pao again, how was the Valentine's Day for you?
Did you guys go out? No? Okay. Kalma lang, tinanong ko lang naman. Just curious. Di ba? Did you guys go out? Agad kasi. How did you spend Valentine's Day? Ayoko lang tanongin yung buong cast, kayong dalawa lang.
Bukas, para kasama si Ako, nood ako ng Netflix, yung Singles Inferno.
Bakit naman yun?
Nanood ako noon.
Okay.
Ako, wala, bahay lang din. May meeting lang nung tapos may inaaral lang ako para sa isang role. Yan.
Okay. Okay ka na, Nats? Okay.
MJ, we are